Cool.
Okay, this is the new motor. New Fantech unit being put in. It's got a little bit more grunt than the other one.
I'll turn it on for you.
But this is the only one we can get. Yeah, it's got more power in suction. It'll be a lot quieter once the lid goes back on it.
It will, yeah.
Yeah. All right. All right.
Cool.
And that's where we are.
Yeah, that's the way to do it.
All right, Andrew.
Right on.
Nice. And you'll cable tie all those loose ends.
Yeah.
Yep. And silicon the loose ends
We're
around.
silicon the loose ends, make sure it's all nice and tight. The only reason that someone has glued all of this componentry. So what we'll do is we'll make sure, I can't move this, right? I can't adjust it. So what we'll do is we'll leave it like this and I'll just silicon the hole so nothing can penetrate anyway.
Very important.
Yeah,
very
yeah.
important,
So
because we want to make it waterproof and
it'll be
insect.
tight, yeah.
All right. All right. Thank you.
That's cool. No water in this one, mate.
Okay.
Put a little bit of a seam around the screwed edge, just to make sure that you get nothing. Nothing. What a ripper.
Well, yeah,
What a ripper.
she's blowing a lot stronger.
If we happen to have too much air,
Yeah.
we may have to put a speed controller in, a little one.
Yeah. You might have to if it's too much.
If it's too much.
Then you can put a speed control.
Yeah.
But at the moment, until I get a complaint,
It's going to get a complaint, wouldn't bother.
we'll leave it at that.
Yeah. And if it's the bathroom shit, mate, they're going to do even better. This side of the drill will just, so much better at the toilet department.
Okay.
The bathroom department. It's flying out.
Okay.
It's half as small pumps as you generate.
Okay. Well, like I said, if they complain, then we'll get a speed controller on it. Okay.
Right on. Yep.
All right. Thank you. John signing out.